DC SP Good morning, sir. Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Good morning, sir. DC तेरा ADC SP Sir, NL नाम
यहाँ जितने भी ड्रेस में आए हैं मुक्तवा लाहो या ख्वातून विलेज जो आए हैं, उसके बाद एडवाइजरी बोर्ड, आप लोग रिसेप्शन के लिए गेट पे चले जाइए मुक्तवा लाहू को छोड़ के। मैं स्वागत करता हूं और शुभकामनाएं। कृपया अपने स्थान ग्रहण करें। बहुत ही जल्द हमारे बीच हमारे मेहमान लोग हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं। हमारे और चीफ गेस्ट डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर अरुणाचल प्रदेश, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर और मेरे सेपा ईस्ट इलाका जी हमारे बीच जुड़ने वाले हैं बहुत जल्द। आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है अपना स्थान से ना हिलें।
From which country?
Italy.
Italy.
Italia, forza Roma.
막내.
Yeah, we might. Yeah. Togliamo le casole, togliamo tutto.
Kindly give this Sri Tournament जी और साथ ही Honorable MLA 10 सेपा ईस्ट असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी श्री एवं तालम जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं। आप सभी से अनुरोध है अपने अपने स्थान ग्रहण करें, अपनी जगह से ना हिलें। देवी और सज्जनों, ये उत्सव हमारे पूर्वजों की विरासत का प्रतीक है और इस विरासत का सम्मान करना हमारा कर्तव्य भी नहीं बल्कि हमारा गर्व भी है। इस कर्तव्य और गर्व के साथ हम आज इस गौरवशाली उत्सव को आयोजित कर रहे हैं। ये उत्सव भाईचारा, प्रेम और एकता का प्रतीक है। ये हमारा फर्ज है कि हमारा आने वाले पीढ़ी को भी ये परंपरा सौंप कर जाए। जब तक ये उत्सव जिंदा है तब तक हमारी पहचान जिंदा है। Ladies and gentlemen, may I request all of you to kindly sit at our chief guest of honor, other dignitaries will be joining us very soon. आप लोग सब अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहे।
Come, चश्मा खुलितन। वेलकम, हैप्पी चालू, प्रीमा, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। वन पीछे 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 तो छूना तो दिन
इसमें मौजूद सभी से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कायम खड़े हो जाए। हमारे चीफ गेस्ट बता चुके हैं हमारे बीच।
वेलकम सर, गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Most welcome, sir. Most welcome, sir.
वेलकम सर।
वेलकम सर।
Logo kami ang chief guest sa bono ng taon-taon rangan madakawan ni welcome mo ng BCM servant Deputy Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh Jonathan Dilahunda ang welcome mo.
Kamu, Katagram. Dia nok ti bisa lok ragu senjak. Katagram ju main dam ko. Ti dong mi dong ti ari mo la ta ragu senjak. Nam chief ke le ti ko honor nam public leader me. Chula me government officer. Langa juti me. Rang stam rang suam pio, rang sentam pio. Rang Katagram rang dok ti bisa rang me. Rang demba mi nya bisa rang me. Katagram ma ju ban mo ta tong tonga. Tong orang me, kurana hinaju mito, ya mito, tong mito, rang keterang, rang usen senang sembadang mito, rang usen serapa sembahong mito, bikin dah kila jalan jalan mito, moje kaya jalan, kapal lupa nang mito, kupu pasai mito, kupan jalan jalan mito, rang keterang, rang suam tio, jangan lupa, aku rang usen jaga. Luban Katagram me wala ta lang buko. Tidong luban Katagram dalam ko. Tidong midong hindi kamta dio. Usia dio, kuat kam dio. Rangaswan dio. Rango Katagram. Rango.
Thank you everyone. कृपया अपने अपने स्थान ग्रहण करें. सब अपने अपने स्थान ग्रहण करें. बोर्डुरिया नॉक रिक्वेस्ट वन गंगने में थम तुझ स्टार्ट मामून. 57 सेंट्रल नोक्टे चारों लोगों के प्रेसिडेंट श्री जितेंद्र मुंसा जी को कि वे अपना स्वागत संबोधन प्रस्तुत करें.
हम सब के चाहते most respected our chief guest honorable DC Sri Chona Menji, guest of honor honorable MLA Sepa East Sri Ilang Talanji, our special guest honorable MLA Sri Walam Savinji, chief patron of today's celebration Sri W Lawangdong Ji, honorable MLA cum Parliament Chief of Boduria, patron of 57 Central Nokte Chalo Loko celebration, honorable MLA Madam C. Aboji, respected JPC Madam, DC Tirap, SP Tirap, all HODs, Chief of various Nokte village, Panchayat leaders, Gaon Buras and distinguished guests. It gives me immense honor and joy to stand before you as the president of the 57th Central Nokte Chalo Loko celebration. Chalo Loko is one of the most cherished cultural festival of the Nokte community. Today, as we gather under the spirit of unity, thanksgiving and celebration, we celebrate not only our rich heritage but also the bond of the ties every Nokte heart together. We are profoundly blessed to have with us our Honorable Deputy Chair, Sri Chona Menji, whose presence elevates the dignity of our celebration. Sir, you hold a special and permanent place in the heart of every Nokte family because you have always treated us with affection, respect and exceptional consideration. On behalf of the Nokte community, I extend our deepest gratitude and warmest welcome to you, sir. We are equally honored by the gracious presence of Sri Ilang Talengji, Honorable MLA Sepa East as our guest of honor. Sir, you are one of the most dynamic young leaders of our state, known for your energetic commitment, your clarity of purpose and your dedication to the development of Arunachal Pradesh. Your keen interest in the welfare of our people of state and your inspiration leadership reflect the inspiration of our youth. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, in this 57 Central Nokte Chalo Loko celebration. We are honored to have with us Sri W Lawangdong Ji, Honorable MLA and Parliament Chief of Boduria, whose guidance and vision have always been pillars of strength for the Nokte community. Honorable MLA Madam C. Aboji, whose courage, compassion and leadership continue to inspire us. Honorable MLA C. W. Savinji, a respected and wonderful leader dedicated to public service and community welfare. We humbly welcome you, all of you, to this sacred occasion. I also extend heartfelt welcome to DC Tirap, SP Tirap, and HODs, Chief of various Nokte village, Panchayat leaders, Gaon Buras, public leaders, dignitaries, dance troupe, the media fraternity, and all the wonderful people gathered here.
A very special welcome to our guests from across India and from foreign nations. Your presence adds great on color and warmth to this festival. You honor us today by becoming part of our cultural celebration. Chalo Loko is just a festival. It is an emotion, a celebration of harvest, unity, culture, and gratitude. In conclusion, on behalf of the organizing committee and the Inter-Nokte community, I once again extend my warmest welcome and deepest respect to all esteemed guests present here. May this year Chalo Loko brings joy, harmony, prosperity, and renewed cultural pride to every household. Rango Joban, thank you so much. Na nang chief guest sir ko ngama nang kewa Chalo Loko community kewa nang pura Nokte kewa ngama बंदे मेमोरेंडम सबमिट होगा सर हम एक मेमोरेंडम हम लोग का तरफ से प्रिपेयर किया है ये हम लोग का ठीक बाजार का बीच में पार्किंग लॉट उसके लिए मैं आपसे पढ़ना करता हूं कि इसको कंपटीशन के लिए आप इसमें मदद कीजिए और हमारा जो एक महीना पहले हमारा खुनसा बाजार जल गया था उसके लिए हमने एक तो मेमोरेंडम प्रिपेयर किया है तो मैं सर को ये मेमोरेंडम सबमिट करता हूं ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ इंटर नोक्टी कम्युनिटी.
धन्यवाद जीतन जी आपका गौरवमय शब्दों के लिए. हमारे महान अतिथियों की उपस्थिति से आज का ये उत्सव और भी दिव्य हो गया है. नोक्ते समाज की तरफ से हम अपने मुख्य अतिथि, सम्मानित अतिथि और अन्य अतिथिगणों को पारंपरिक रूप से अभिनंदन करने चाहेंगे. ये सम्मान उनके प्रति हमारा आदर, श्रद्धा और कृतज्ञता का प्रतीक है. तो मैं सबसे पहले हमारे ऑनरेबल चीफ गेस्ट, ऑनरेबल डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर अरुणाचल प्रदेश श्री चौनामेन जी को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा आप प्लीज़ खड़े हो जाए. उनको सम्मान करने के लिए मैं हमारे चीफ पैट्रन को दरख्वास्त करता हूँ आप भी काइंडली आगे आ जाए.
से पकड़ो ना. हाँ सिगन सिगन सिगन. हाँ अभी ठीक है.
तालियों की गूंज बजती रहनी चाहिए जब तक हमारे मेहमानों को
तो है ना लेकिन हम कैसे
मरी बोलेंगे. हाँ
तालम जी को हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे उन्हें सम्मान देने के लिए हम स्टेज पे तालियों का गूंज थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर के लिए। नेक्स्ट वी हैव आवर स्पेशल गेस्ट विद अस, ऑनरेबल 55K MLA Ranglam Savin ji। Thank you, sir. Next we have Honorable JPC Tirap। JPC मैडम को हम रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे आप भी आगे आ जाए। Thank you very much, madam. Commissioner Tirap District kindly stay। हमारे डीसी सर को हम रिक्वेस्ट और जनरल सेक्रेटरी चारों लोगों को। Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. May I now request SP Tirap? Nong atangi dakpa maman ko nang madakpa ba nak CMD chairman mamade.
Thank you, sir. Okay. इसको 3 बार ऐसा करना है सर, बीच में पकड़ना है, बीच में 3 times। झंडा है, झंडा। ठीक है, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us. May I now request Commander Assam Rifle 44B Honor, I would like to invite on stage the President of Chalo Local 2025. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए पब्लिक, प्लीज काइंडली आप लोग ताली बजा दीजिए।
बढ़िया।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us. May I now invite ADC Tirap District, Additional District Commissioner, Deputy Commissioner Tirap District to come over.
क्या बात।
अब मैं ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि हमारे मेहमान जितने भी लोग आए हैं उनको अब फेलिसिटेट करें, अपने अपने स्थान पे फेलिसिटेट करें। लॉन्च इवेंट्स की ओर आगे बढ़ते हैं। अभी हम हमारे तिराप के कुछ ऑथर्स हैं और कुछ डिज़ाइनर्स हैं जिन्होंने बुक पब्लिश की है, जिन्होंने आज नुक्ते सोल प्रोड्यूस किए हैं, उनका आज लॉन्चिंग होगा। उसके बाद हमारे कुछ सिंगर्स नुक्ते एल्बम निकाले हैं, तो आज अभी उसका लॉन्चिंग होगा। म्यूजिक एल्बम जो भी दिन अगी ब्रदर्स के द्वारा मैं उन्हें स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूँगा। जितने भी आर्टिस्ट से आगे आ जाए। उसके बाद हमारे बुक के ऑथर वांगतुम जी को, जिन्होंने माइल्स ब्रोंसन एंड नोक्टेस लिखा है, उनको भी मैं स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा, आगे आ जाए। उसके बाद लोकू के द्वारा एक मैगजीन ओडिसी जिसको एडिट किया है डेनहाम बोसाई सर ने, वो भी आगे आ जाए। इस बुक को कमीशन किया है हमारे चीफ पेट्रोन, हमारे पैरामाउंट चीफ ऑफ बोर्डुरा विलेज वांगनिन लोवांगडोंग जी ने।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर।
रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा एक दो शब्द बुक के बारे में। ये मैगजीन हमारे ओडिसी जो डेनहाम बोसाई सर ने एडिट किया है।
Miles Bronson and the Noctes is based on the historical facts collected from institutions such as the National Archives of India, the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library, Yale University and Williams College. The story takes us back to the early 19th century when a 27-year-old American Baptist missionary, Reverend Miles Bronson, along with his wife Ruth and their 2-year-old daughter Mary, traveled to present-day Namsang village from 1839 to 1840. Even though the Bronsons did not achieve their larger missionary goals, what they left behind is truly priceless. They documented our history and published 4 books on the Nocte language. Their letters and journals have become some of the earliest and most detailed records of our past. During their stay, they even started a simple form of schooling, teaching elementary English and basic maths twice a day for 2 hours each, making them the first educators of our region. This project took several years, and throughout that time, I was guided and encouraged by the Honorable MLA of Boduria Bogapani and the Paramount Chief of Boduria Village, Sri Wanglin Lowangsdong Ji. Thank you, sir, for always supporting my work. I also take this opportunity to share that under the initiative of Nocte Digest, the Tirap District Administration officially recognized on June 27, 2025, 2 major Nocte freedom struggles against the British colonial rule. The first is the Anglo-Nocte War of 1842, coincidentally fought on this very day, November 25, led by the warriors of Kheti village under their chief Wangto Lowang. The second is the Nocte resistance of 1875, which was closely connected to the famous Anglo-Wancho War of the same year. This resistance was led by the then chief of Boduria, Wangman Lowangsdong, in response to the British attempt to annex the Namsang and Hukanjuri tea gardens and the land between them. Ultimately, the British were successful in annexing the lands that now fall under the Dehin Patkai National Park on May 18, 1875. So through this occasion, I hope that these Nocte freedom struggles and the names of our freedom fighters or unsung heroes are recognized at both the state and national levels. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
नोक्टे ट्रेडिशनल शॉल का लॉन्चिंग करेंगे। मैं दोबारा फिर से दरख्वास्त करना चाहूँगा हमारे चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर और हमारे चीफ पेट्रोन सभी को, प्लीज़ ये हमारा नोक्टे ट्रेडिशनल शॉल पहली बार लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं, ये फर्स्ट टाइम है। तो इस डिज़ाइन को पूरे एल्डर्स ने, हमारे नोक्टे कम्युनिटी ने अप्रूव किया है। इसको खास करके खोवंग हाकुन क्रिएटिव एडिटर दादम विलेज के और खुनलोंग माटे डेप्यूटी मैनेजर SBI फ्रॉम पानीदुरा विलेज, दोनों ने मिलकर इसको इनिशिएट किया है। मैं दोनों को भी स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा। नोक्टे ट्रेडिशनल सोल डिजाइन किया है। Honorable Chief Guests, guests of honor, other dignitaries, Nokte Nyucha and people of Khonsa. The idea of Nokte Shoal was conceptualized in the year 2023 and finally put into execution after consultation with elders from Nokte society engaged in various fields for around 2 years. We have been fortunate to have strong guidance and interest shown from Paramount Chief of Boduria, former Deputy Commissioner of Tirap, Sri Techu Aran, and young public leader Sri Nahang Tangjang, Laptang Village, and many others. With many prints and designs, today we have a unanimous decision of all stakeholders and selected one sole design, which shall be released today and used by the Noktes from now on. The Nokte traditional shawl is conceptualized, initiated, coordinated, designed and produced by myself, Khunlong Mate, Panura Village, working as Deputy Manager at SBI, and Sri Khowang Hakun, Dadam Village, working as Creative Editor at Prasar Bharati, Doordarshan, Itanagar. Thank you. Happy Chaloloku Anganganang. Thank you. Last but not the least, एक और रिलीज है म्यूजिक एल्बम का। काइंडली ये जो म्यूजिक एल्बम है जोवी दिन, इसको प्रोड्यूस किया है अगी ब्रदर्स ने। सिंगर्स है मानलंग अगी, टोंगी अगी, बेबी मौसम, अनीसा पारमे अगी। स्पॉन्सर्स जो किए हैं, स्पॉन्सर टीम श्री तेजू अरान जी, उसके बाद इंजीनियर वाला होंडिक जी, इंजीनियर लेनवांग होसाई जी, इंजीनियर गंगतोंग बंगिंग जी। आप सभी स्पॉन्सर से भी रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोग भी आगे आ जाए, और जो भी दिन एल्बम का जितने भी सिंगर्स हैं आप लोग प्लीज स्टेज पे आ जाए। मैं दोबारा फिर से इंटरप्ट करना चाहूँगा हमारे ऑनरेबल चीफ गेस्ट, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर लोगों को, प्लीज दिस इज द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट रिलीज ऑफ द एल्बम। काइंडली स्क्रीन पे जो भी दिन एल्बम को दिखाया जाए। स्पॉन्सर्स भी काइंडली आगे आ जाए। स्पॉन्सर्स इंजीनियर वाला होंडिक जी, इंजीनियर लेनवांग होसाई जी, इंजीनियर गंगतोंग बंगिंग जी,
बेबी मुसा लुवंग डोंग का वहाँ में खड़ा जाओ, वहाँ आ जाओ।
चालो लोग ग्लोबल हो चुका है। इस साल हमारे बीच फॉरेन के टूरिस्ट 100 से ज्यादा आ चुके हैं, तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे बीच। हमारे फॉरेनर्स इस फेस्टिवल को एंजॉय करने के 100 से ज्यादा अधिक मात्रा में आ चुके हैं। तो हमारे जो चालो लोग फेस्टिवल है वो ग्लोबल हो चुका है। आज का जो फुटफॉल है वो सबसे हाईएस्ट है। Thanks to Tirap Tourism Development Committee and to Native Roots and local tour operator and all the tour operators companies for promoting this festival. आप लोगों के वजह से ही ये जो फेस्टिवल है वो आगे बढ़ पा रहा है, लोगों के बीच पहुंच पा रहा है। We are very thankful to all the tourists, all the visitors who have visited for this festival. अब निमंत्रण देता हूं हमारे चीफ पेट्रोन Paramount Chief of Borduria, Honorable MLA and Advisor to Honorable Minister, Environment and Forest, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Sri Wanglin Lowangdong जी को कि वे अपना मार्गदर्शक संदेश प्रस्तुत करें।
Good morning and a very happy Chala Loku to all those our Nokte sisters and brothers and all those who assembled here today on this very auspicious occasion of the main festival of Chalo Loku. I convey my warm and sincere greetings. We are happy to have amidst us as the chief guest of today's program, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Sri Chona Manji. In spite of all the difficult and time he has given his moment to spare with us, to share the joys with our people. We thank you, sir, for being with us this morning. We are also happy to have amidst us as the guest of honor, Sri Eling Talang, my friend, the young MLA of Sepa East Constituency. In spite of his busy schedule and the ensuing Panchayat elections, he's given his time to spare a moment with us on this joyous occasion. Thank you, Eling sir, for being with us. Deputy Commissioner, Tirap District, SP Tirap, Commandant 44 AR, and especially my colleagues, Srimati Chakat, Abu, MLA, and Wanglam Savin, MLA, who are with us, giving their continuous support and blessings. Thank you. Also, we have with us the respective chiefs, GBs, Panchayat leaders, council members, the public, the dance troupe, and all, last but not the least, the organizing committee, president, secretary, and all those who have taken part in today's program. As we all know, today is the celebration of our Chala Loku, which we have on the 25th of November at Khunsa and in other places of the state and beyond. It should be a time of joy, a time of singing, a time of dancing, and most importantly, a time of fraternity and brotherhood. It is on such occasions the festival spirit is born and alive. All misunderstandings amongst us should be thrown beyond the Patkai range. We come together as one Nokte, whether you may be living in different villages, feel yourself as one community. United we stand, divided we fall. It is a time in this modern era when time is precious that we should feel and look back to what forefathers had done for us. For the commitment in preserving the heritage and tradition, in preserving the songs and the drama and the dances. We are their children. Let us abide for what they have taught us and for what we are. lest we forget who we are and where we belong to. We as Noctes should come together and engulf also the modern era. Today, along with the festival spirit, along with the dancers and the songs that is to be displayed in a moment's time, we have also had many releases the first time. The album release, the magazine release, and also, and most importantly, a book written on Miles Bronson, The Lives and Times of Miles Bronson in Tirap district at Namsang. In the year 1839 to 40, the American Baptist missionary spent 1 year of his life and times in Tirap. Today's book, authored by my young nephew, Wangtum Humchalohong of Namsang village, who is a keen enthusiast in research work. He has taken pains and trouble and time to research this work from the National Archives, from the British Museum, Nehru Museum and Library, the Yale University, and other colleges. It gives us an impact of the times when Miles Bronson spent his year at Namsang village. Our youth also should take up the pen. The day of the sword and the gun is over. We need to gain knowledge and wisdom to be able to read and to write. There are many themes and stories unsung and untold which has to be dug out, which our people should know of the years that had gone by. It is for you, the young people, for the Nocte youth, the educated youth, to come up and learn and teach our people what we were and what our life should be. Wangtum has given us an insight of the life and times of our Nocte people in the early 19th century. It gives a vivid account of the school that Reverend Miles Bronson has set up in 1839. I had also once stated in the assembly session that if there is a school that was first in the state of Arunachal, the record book should be rewritten, not in any other district, but in Tirap district. In 1839, we had a school at Namsang, a school that was recognized by the British East India Company. Although it was a foreign power, it was a government nonetheless. So there are many things which we can research, many things which can be investigated and found. So I appeal to the youth, don't be carried away by social media. Don't be carried away by alcoholism. Don't be carried away by the drugs that has greatly influenced our youth of this day. Keep away from those anti-social vices. Think for the generation. Think for the future. You are the pillars of the tomorrow, of our future. Today is an occasion when there are many GI tags have been introduced in our state. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister is very enthusiastic and eager and has proclaimed that Arunachal, there are many produce of our state which has been GI tagged. Just recently, the dao which has been used by the tribes of Arunachal has been GI tagged. I request the government of Arunachal, and most particularly Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, that the Noktes in those days of ancient times produced salt. Salt was a barter. Even we had relations with the tribes of Burma, now Myanmar, with the Hau kings, the Hau kingdom, and the nearby tribes with a peculiar and particularly salt. So I request, taking this occasion, the government of Arunachal Pradesh should also research and study to make the Nokte salt GI tag, which will enrich the culture and tradition and heritage of our people, of not only our people, people of the state. Today is a time of festival of brotherhood, not only amongst our Nokte, but it will reverberate to each and every nook corner of the state, right up to the plains of Pasigat, to the valleys and the Sela top, that we are one. Pan Arunachal should be our watchword. United Arunachal should be the motto. And I'm sure that in these festivals, all festivals, each and every one of us should participate. Today we have with us Honorable MLA from Sepa, Eling Talamji. His first visit to Kunsa, he has vehemently appreciated our people. And I'm sure that in the next festival, there should be an interchange of tribe festivals amongst ourselves. People from other parts of our state should come and participate in our Chalo Loku. Likewise, our Nokte people also can participate in other districts in this festival, in their festival. This will bring about a bondness of togetherness, a bond that should not be broken, a bond that we are one people, one tribe, and one Arunachal. Thank you once again. I appreciate the community and all the dance troupe who have assembled here today. And also I see amidst us foreign visitors who are most welcome, and I appreciate their being with us today amidst us to enjoy and to celebrate this Chalo Loku with us. Thank you so much. May God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Patron, for your beautiful encouragement and words of encouragement. आपका constant support से ही ये चारों लोगों हम इतने शानदार तरीके से organize कर पाते हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको. अगले कार्यक्रम हमारा folk dance march होगा. तो ये जो folk dance march है, हमने 3 villages को invite किया है. नोक्सा विलेज, मुक्ता विलेज और लाहू विलेज. सभी विलेजेस 5-5 मिनट के लिए यहाँ पे अपना प्रदर्शन करेंगे. ये जो फोक डांस है, ये ट्रेडिशनल डांस हमारे पूर्वजों द्वारा हम सब पर जो हमारे ये जनरेशन के लिए छोड़ के गए, वही फोक डांस, वही ट्रेडिशन यहाँ पे आपको प्रस्तुत करेंगे.
样真重要，对你一样真重要。
इसके बाद में मुक्ता विलेज आएंगे, नुक्सा विलेज के बाद में मुक्ता विलेज आएंगे। आप सभी जो विलेजर्स हैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है अपने डांस को ज़्यादा लंबा ना खींचे।
पोनी शाले पिल्लो बंगया दायो लंबे बंगया दायो।
मैं नुक्सा विलेज को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप लोग लंबा ना खींचे। अगला जो डांस ग्रुप है वो मुक्ता आएंगे, मुक्ता के बाद लाहू मस्ती। मेन डांस जो है हम कम्युनिटी डांस में करेंगे। सारा प्रोग्राम खत्म होने के बाद कम्युनिटी डांस होगा ग्रुप। थैंक यू वेरी मच नुक्सा विलेज। जो तेंगा में मुक्ता नौकरी ना रिक्वेस्ट ऑन करने में माइक को पास कीजिए। तेज दातों मालूम कौन स्टेज दातों कौन gia đình nằm chân luôn nằm đâu hết gia đình nằm luôn xin chị Khởi người với tôi từ lòng nó có cái chân nó ra सबसे अनुरोध है इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मुक्ता विलेज के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए name in my mind next performance for traditional dance that we have is Lahu village से रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोग आगे आ जाए और डांस सिखाएंगे काइंडली ध्यान से देखें ऑडियंस आप लोग थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाए थोड़ा सा साइड दे दें close to the performance. Arhiti Gunga United Kutin Youth Party Hidam in Dansa UKYA आप लोग रेडी रहिए
kua te bango hai ka te bango oh hai ka te bango
Nang dia kadi go men boy tang ga bo min ba thal cha short man mo kadi go tang ga bo amba
ka te bango hai